Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3D text in Word 2016. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make 3D text in this document. Firstly, write some text. Then select the text and go to the insert menu. Then click word art drop down menu and choose any word art. Then select the word art text and go to the format menu. Then click text effect. Then choose 3D rotation, or you can choose bevel. Apply this round convex bevel and go back the text effect and choose 3D rotation. Then rotate the text 3D. Now we can see here we make this text 3D very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.